All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It's September 12th. Markets are currently off to red start with the NASDAQ futures right now down by, well, that's not NQ. NASDAQ futures currently down by 0.4%, getting rejected from the monthly highs up here at 15,675, currently at 15,600. Got a pretty decent gap to fill to the downside, all the way down to 15,375. Not sure if that'll happen today, but we are definitely seeing some pullback here from the highs. Got three names on the watch list today: Apple, Google, and Nvidia. Gonna go short Apple, short Google, long on Nvidia today. Checking out the charts, stop loss for Apple is going to be at 180 or above. Stop loss for Google is going to be above 137.25. And Nvidia, my stop loss is going to be below 446. Alright. We'll go through the rest of the watch list, see if there's anything else decent. Netflix is pretty flat and in this kind of tight range. This actually could be a decent setup for the long opportunity. We might be able to replace Nvidia since Nvidia is more so in a downtrend on the hourly chart. Good morning, Travis. Welcome. Yeah, definitely looks bearish on the hourly chart here on Nvidia, whereas Netflix is kind of just stabilizing around these levels. The stop loss here would be about $2 lower, whereas Nvidia is only $1 lower. But we'll keep an eye here on Netflix and set an alert if it goes under 441.25. So that's for Netflix. On Nvidia, still trading at 447.50, about $1.50 off my stop. Meta's trading really high and just below the 307 resistance. This could actually be a sizable downside trade too, if it reverses all the way back down to 301.50. Microsoft gaining support right at that 335 level. Google's actually testing our stop loss right now at 137.25. And Apple's getting close to our stop too. So we'll keep an eye on these names. Check on the NASDAQ one more time before market open. Yeah, still down 0.4%, so decently in the red. I'll take the Nvidia trade first and then either Google or Apple after. These should be trading for about 500, I'm thinking. And our stop loss will be 450. Ten seconds till market open. Let's scroll down to our stop loss so we can set it right away. All right, market is open. These are trading at 485, 475. I think I miscalculated. It's about $1 off. Delta on this option is 455 call, 34. Okay. So they should have a stop loss at 400, I'm guessing. Got in at 452. Stop at 400. Closing in on my stop right now. All right, so let's check Apple and Google in the meantime. Google trading right at 137.06, about 25 cents off our stop. Let's check the delta on this option so we're not miscalculating like that one. 85 cents is what it's trading for, and 30.40 delta. Okay, so 40 times 0.25 would be 10 cents each, will be our stop. All right. This one we're going with the trend, so we'll buy a little bit more. I'll buy 25. At 91. Stop loss at 80. All right, the NVIDIA trade's improving here. Trading at 446 and some change. Catching that wick on the downside. All right, looks like we're stopping on Google. $79. Let's check on Google. Price action. It's still not over. I guess it did go just slightly over 137.25 right there. And then our last one was Apple at 180. Okay. This one looks like a decent setup. It's about 30 cents off, probably a 50 delta, so our stop would be about 15 cents lower. And we'll go with 10 of these. I think we just missed that limit order. Oh, I bought those at 235. Okay. Stop will be at 210. Or sorry, 220. Those NVIDIA calls gaining some momentum. With NVIDIA, where is it at? Oh shoot, we just lost that 455 call. NVIDIA's trading at 450 now. The 455 calls are going for 540 each. Pulling back right below 450 there. Kind of want to see this go into the top of the range of 453, but we got to get over that 450 hump first. trading at 515 at the moment. We bought them at 455, so it's up about 600 for this position so far. Getting close to that 450 mark again. Got to see the bid over 450. Yep, there it goes. These are trading at 600 now. And I'm wanting to see all the way up at 453. Good morning, Peter. Welcome. All right. Position's up 900 right now. Slowing down at 452 right there. How many of those did we buy? I think we bought 10. All right, it's at 452 now, so getting real close to my take profit. 453. 690 a piece, 700. All right, that's good enough for me, baby. Take my profits and run. Oh, please sell that trade. Oh, I have 5 of them, not 10. God dang it. All right, sold those at 700. All right, so that was a $1,200 trade right there. Nice little 10-minute move. Currently about break even on Apple. All right.
Just getting milk.
Okay. Did they not have enough?
They didn't have bottles.
Oh, man.
Are you living?
Yeah, I am.
My bad.
Just made $1,200 on Nvidia.
Huh?
Said just made $1,200 on Nvidia.
1,200?
Yeah.
Better than 12.
Better than 12. Thanks. I'm glad we can do math. All right. Apple's pulling back close to the morning lows. So maybe we can make profits on both ends. Right now, this position's only up 170. Thanks, Peter. Gotta afford this formula somehow.
People on OnlyFans still make more.
Probably.
Alright.
All right, see ya. Looks like we timed that Nvidia trade pretty well. Looks like it pulled back off of that resistance at the top of that range. Could still go up, but let's see, how much did we lose on Google? The first trade was 325 loss on Google, so currently up 900 on the day, and then Apple right now is at about break even for that position. Worst case scenario, I should end the day up like 700 or so. If it hits my stop at 220. Apple's just kind of balancing around 179.50. Our stop loss moved down to 179.80 right here. No clear direction yet, just kind of going back and forth. Let's try to find a take profit. Let's say 178.50 will be good, but pretty far away. About $1 away. And it should have about a 50 delta, maybe a little bit more. Let's see. Well, the 180 put, oh, it has a 43 delta. This contract's finding some support at 225. With Apple getting rejected. Up at about 179.75. Might just move my stop up there. 225 instead of 220. We have 10 of them. How's Meta looking? Meta was doing really hot in the pre-market. This one, like I said, was a really good opportunity at that 307 level, but probably would have got stopped out. My guess, though, is that it might revisit all the way down at 301.50. All right, Apple's losing its green right now. Barely a break even, up 0.05% for the day. All right, here we go. Retesting the lows down at 179.25. Contracts are going for 250. We bought them at 235 for 10. If we can get it under the lows, I might reset my stop to break even. And then our take profit, again, down at 178.50. All right, we'll move our stop to break even at 235 and then just hold it. Down at 179 now, so about 50 cents off the stop or take profit. Trading at 260 a piece. Coming down quick. Some buyers here at 179 it looks like. All right, 178.85. Contracts are at 270, so we're up 350 on the position. $400 now. Okay, I think I might sell it here at 178.75. Just in case that's a support. All right, sold those at 278. For 430 in profit. And it just reached my level right now. That's okay. Yeah, they're trading at 288, so that would have been an extra 100. Not that big of a deal. All right, so that's all the trades probably for today. We got 1,200 on NVIDIA. And go through the trades we made. It was NVIDIA this morning on calls, and that's actually doing a little bit better, 450, 350, so it actually did break that range. Made 1240 there, lost 325 on Google, and made back 430 for Apple today. So 430 minus the 325 plus 1240 for $1,350 today in profits. Let's see what those NVIDIA trades are at. Could maybe hop back into those calls with a new stop loss at 453. Take profit. I would probably, let's see the hourly chart, see if there's any resistance. Probably 460. Let's see, it ended up retesting the 453 level, a little bit under before it went back up. So yeah, that should be your support now. And if it gets to 460, that's $6 off. So you get about a 6-1 risk reward here. Or reward risk, I should say. I might want to change the strike price, though, for a lower delta. It's already trading at 455, so too late for this position. But yeah, that's all the trades I got today, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow at 9:30. See you, everybody.